Hello. In this video tonight, I just want to explain the important points in a title block. This is a complete drawing. If you check my other videos, you'll see how I designed this telescopic beam and how I detailed it. First, I want to talk about custom properties on a drawing. So as you see, text is matching with the title block here. It says telescopic beam, general arrangement, details, and design, drawn, checked, and approved by CAD because I just wrote it down. Okay. So first, I want to mention how I link them. So you make it parametric. You don't need to write it manually. So each time when you detail something, you just change custom properties and they will change. Right. So if you right click on any text that I put here, if you right click on it, if you go to edit text in window, so you'll see where this text linked to, title line 1. So if I come up here and change title line 1 to write anything, CAD is testing. CAD is testing. Or if you want to just change it, channel arrangements, you can write single part drawing, single part, change as well. Another thing for design by, write this in the name, James Bond, drawn by, well, anything, Ronaldo, they will change as well. So let me show you how I link them. So basically you just need a note. Just put a note somewhere here. Actually I lost a note here anyway, so I just want to write something here. I just did that a few minutes ago. I want to do it again. You need a property name, like let's say drawing time. You don't really write drawing time, you write drawing date, but I'm just writing drawing time here. Actually I just noticed that date is missing on this drawing. Oh, actually sorry, it was on the revision table. I will mention that later. So let's say drawing time. Time is now 10 p.m. exactly 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Okay. Yeah, I just repeat. You don't write time on the drawing. You write date on the drawing. It's just an example. So I got a note here. Just put it somewhere and come here. So this is where you link it. Link to property. Click on it. Custom document. Yep, stay there. Custom document. Yeah. Property name. What was my property name? Drawing time. Click OK. Here we go. 10 p.m. If you just click on it and just make it format 10 p.m. So you can put it anywhere here. You can have another text, let's say time. If you want to draw a line, all these lines are it's a basic line. So basically you just create your own boxes. And after here, click on that, change the thickness. You can change any thickness. It's totally up to you if you are creating your own template. That's how we do it. If you want to change the time, let's say 11 a.m. changes. So whatever right here, you just link it in the custom properties and change it. So you can go back. So now here you go, it's in here now. I'm just want to move this down somewhere. Also you need to match the color, so you need to define this. Okay. Oh, actually, yeah, match the color. You can just delete them or hide them. It's totally up to you. Go back. So I'm just doing it again, and I'm repeating again. You do not write anytime on the drawing. For date, yes. But for that time, no. This is just an example. Change it. 9 a.m. Boop. Changed. So that's how you link it. Okay. I'm just gonna delete that because it looks funny. I'll just delete them, delete this. Yep. Delete this. Yep. That's fine. Oh. SolidWorks is playing up now. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Put it here. So I want to mention about revisions. What revision A is, what revision 0 is. Revision A is issued for review. What issued for review is, so you design something and you send it to your client and they approve, and then you go for revision 0. If you do revision 0, you just make it 0 and issued for construction. Okay, and change the date as well. You don't keep revision A here. If you fabricate this, then you make some modification on it on as built model, so you can add another revision here and call it 1. Let's say edit holes on female telescope. You can do that as well, so you don't remove revision 0. Or if you work in a company that you do your fabrication as well, yeah, as I said, you start with the revision A, you do issue for review, you send it to your production team or someone else who checks your design. If they approve, and then you go for revision 0. Alright, so other important points are title, inside the title block. So basically it says what this drawing is. So what is this? It says copy lifting beam. General arrangement. I got title line 1, 2, 3, so I link them with title line 1, 2 and 3, so I can change them however I want. So inside the title block you will need title, a description of the drawing. You need drawing number. This has to be unique because every product has a different drawing number. It's good to have sheet numbers, such as this is the first sheet of 10 and it says 1/10. You need to write the size of the sheet. This is A3. Scale is important, or you write NTS, which is not to scale. It's good to have weight. You either have the weight here or just under your bill of material table. You can say total weight and just write it there. And this symbol is for third angle projection. We use third angle projection in Australia. In Europe and other countries, they use first angle projection. If you Google it, you can see the difference. And you need this type of text here. It's like this document is uncontrolled when printed or downloaded and should be discarded after use. It's your responsibility to ensure that you use the most recent revision of this document. So if you write something like that, so basically you cover yourself. If anything goes wrong, that if everything is okay on your drawing, but they use a different revision or old revision of the drawing, and they build up something wrong, so that's their responsibility. That's not you. You also need a designed by, drawn by, checked by, approved by on the drawing. It's like a very classic. So you can write your name, James Bond, drawn by Ronaldo, and checked by Messi, and approved by referee. That's what I would write. So yeah, that's the drawing title block. You need a title description. Also, you put your logo here. This was my logo. I created this with ChatGPT. It's a very basic one. Yeah, put your logo there, showing number, sheet, jokes, the paper size basically, A3, scale. Scale is important. And designed by, drawn by, checked by, approved by. These are important. This text is important here. You need to write something like that to cover yourself. And this symbol is important. You need to put this. So this third angle projection. Have this revision table. You can create a revision table here. It's very basic. There must be, yeah, if I don't have this, there's an option here, revision table, because I've got the revision table here already. That's why it doesn't show up here. Yeah, that's how you do your title block. If you like the drawing, just like it. If you have any question, you can ask me. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.